So by now, we all know AI is taking over the world. And the most interesting aspect of AI, for us, is how it relates to filmmaking. So why am I standing in a field talking about AI? Because Flexclip have just introduced a new update, and there's some seriously cool AI features in there. There's an AI image generator, there's a Chat GPT powered AI video script generator, and most interestingly of all, there's an AI text to video generator. Let's check it out. So here we are in Flexclip, and to get to the AI tools, we're going to tap Tools at the bottom left here. Let's check out the AI image generator first of all. Let's see if we can create a cool dog in sunglasses. I'm going to click Generate. Oh yeah, look at these guys. Well, let's click Regenerate and see what we can do. It's cool, it's pretty fast. Oh yeah, these guys are awesome. That kind of looks like Georgie and me as dogs. Okay, let's click the back button here. And let's check out the AI script generator. This is Chat GPT powered. Let's create a script for a video about Flexclip. Click Generate. Wow, that was really fast. Oh look, it's broke it down into scenes, intro, and features there, ease of use, editing features, templates. Yeah, Flexclip offers lots of really cool templates, so you can get started straight away. Collaboration as well, that's another thing that's definitely worth mentioning. The collaborative features in Flexclip are fantastic. You actually create teams so that several different people can work across the same project. Really cool. Okay, let's check out that text to video generator now. Let's take a look at a sunny day on the beach with sand and sea. Okay, let's see that. Okay, that's really cool. That's nice cinematic. Pretty much exactly what we asked for. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with Flexclip, it's an online video editing tool. It's not just that, it's a great resource. There's over 4 million royalty-free assets on there as well. We're talking about stock footage, stock audio. I mean, scrolling through 4 million assets is going to take a long time, so you're pretty much guaranteed that you're going to find what you're looking for on there. Assets are split up into categories. As you can see, the audio here, we've got it split up into mood and genre, so it's really, really easy to find what you're looking for. The same with the stock video, all split up into different categories, really easy to navigate your way around. Let's check out the holiday section. Okay, look at these, great variety. We've got elements as well, bit of YouTube stuff there. We've got overlays, which are really, really cool. And we've got some cool backgrounds as well, to really add something different to your videos. The Flexclip interface is really intuitive and really, really simple. It just gets the job done. So this is where you edit your videos in Flexclip. Importing media is really simple. You just click here on local files, and then you can just navigate to wherever the media is on your hard drive. Over here on the left is where you add your text and titles. And then down at the bottom here, we've got all our editing tools laid out for us. We've got the trim, duplicate, delete, etc. all down there. Really, really simple. Okay, so if you want to check out Flexclip for yourself, mess about with some of that cool AI stuff, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.